What are we cooking today, Joyce?
I'm making Korean style seafood, a scallion pancake. And then I'm going to put some flour, making the batter 1-to-1. I'll put less batter in it, because it's cold. Right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to 3/4. Right? Same proportion. 3/4. This is ice cold water. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it first.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just mixing it. It's very different than the Chinese scallion pancake. Chinese scallion pancake is, the batter is like very thick. I think I need to put a little bit more water. But let's see what happened with the egg. The consistency look right.
Okay.
I cook with my eye.
That's good, Joyce. You don't have to adjust.
I don't need to put what?
More water.
No. Okay, let's crush the scallion. And I'm not putting a lot of scallion.
You don't like scallion, right?
Well, I love the Korean scallion pancake. I'm putting shrimp. I need to clean the shrimp. Oyster, clam, and squid. It's going to be good.
Mm-hmm.
We'll cut half and then cut the end off. Usually you use the skinnier scallion, but those are not easy to find. I'm going to make it skinnier. See that, right? And also that I'm putting chive in it, because I'm not putting enough scallion. This is the chive. I usually cut the end off, right? And then basically the same length as the scallion. You want to. This is gonna make 2 pancakes.
2 only?
Really? I'm gonna like mix the green and this first, because you don't want to not even. And then I'm gonna start the pan with some oil. This is supposed to be non-stick, and we'll see.
Yeah, today's the test.
Yeah, give a good amount, like 2 tablespoons to cover the pan. Let's cut the shrimp. I didn't devein it because I'm going to split it. It's all just going to be too thick to cook. You can save the shell for mix below for the noodle. I like the tail. Shake it and then it come off because it's pretty. And I like it's a little bit crunchy.
Is that jumbo shrimp?
Yeah, that's why I'm splitting it. Also, it would be tough to cook. Yeah, I think I should put the scallion in and come back for to split the shrimp. On this side, I'm going to split the shrimp. And you can clean it at the same time. That's why I didn't devein it. Right?
Yeah.
I should start layering the seafood on top already. The pan is pretty hot. I'm going to put the white part of it's going to be splashing. Okay, don't cut too close.
Oh, not really.
Well, I'm going to put some glue. This is the batter. Okay, give it a chance to cook. I'm gonna flip because I don't want to burn the thing. I'm gonna put more glue and then start putting seafood. Hey, Colvin said, "Oh, no food." I don't want to burn the thing. There's a lot of seafood, Colvin. Put more glue. Okay, I'm gonna cover it now for the batter to cook. Oh, the seafood looks like it's almost cooked, so I need to flip it. I don't think it's gonna happen. I'm gonna take a chance.
Wow, good job, Joyce.
Not bad, huh? Okay, I'm gonna turn it back on. Can I let it cook on the other side? Then I can peek and see whether it turned brown. This side looks good already, right? I'm gonna cover it this time. Make sure that the bladder is the bladder is cold. I want to turn it higher. I want the edges to be crispy. I put a little bit more oil. Then don't cover it because you want it crispy. And then this is done.
That's it.
Well, let's cook for a minute and let's crispy the edges. Take a peek here. Yeah, I think the edges is brown now. We need to make a sauce. This is a secret sauce. I use the really spicy pepper, soak it in liquid amino. You can use soy sauce. That's the base. It's been marinated for a couple months now. You can smell it, huh? And I'm going to put, in order to make it like that spicy, balsamic vinegar to sweeten it a little bit. You can use regular vinegar because balsamic vinegar is a little sweeter. And then sesame oil. This is a special sesame oil my Jewish teacher gave me from Korea. That's the sauce.
That's it.
You should taste. A little bit more salt, liquid amino. Colvin said good, more sauce. I think that's it. Okay, let's flip the pancake. The trick is, I turned off the heat already.
Wow.
Picture
Picture
time.
time.